This month, I'm working on a project I'm calling March Magnets. Get it? So for the month of March, I'll be challenging myself to design at least one magnet a day. And here are a couple of the ones I have so far. So day one, I created a calendar for March 2024. Day two, I was focusing on shamrocks for St. Patrick's Day, which is on the 17th. Day three is focusing on eggs for Easter, which is March 31st this year. And day four, I created this design, which is for Pi Day, which is March 14th. If you have any other ideas on what I should do for March magnets, let me know in the comments. Which magnets do you like so far? Day one, day two, day three, day four? These STLs are available on thangs.com. Search for March magnets. Stay tuned for more.